Hey lovelies, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Chris. If you are new here, in today's video I have a really quick laundry motivation for you. So if you're in need of laundry motivation, this is the video for you, so stay tuned.
Over my head, wanna get away. So sweet, just like pink lemonade. Over my head, wanna get away. I'll be your sweetest girl.
Girl, what's your secret? Why don't you lean a little closer and tell me? On the floor, we kiss. I feel like I never saw me. I don't wanna learn to justify your love this way. Please don't go, just stay by. Ever since you go, said I felt you next to me. Strong enough. It's easier with ice, drink it down, singing where's the sugar? I'm sick of playing nice, come around, got you feeling so needy tonight. Everybody wants to drink it down. Everybody wants to wear your crown. And I don't wanna.
Over my head, wanna get away. So sweet, just like pink lemonade. Over my head, wanna get away. I'll be your sweetest girl.
Girl, what's your secret? Why don't you lean a little closer and tell me? On the floor, we kiss. I don't feel like I have another soulmate. I only want the best, so you better not be wasting no more time. Yeah. I could be a man if you show me how. And everybody's telling me you're no good. I need a sign of something. Yeah, it's better like that, even though you're running out fast, yeah. And I don't wanna.
Over my head, wanna get away. So sweet, just like pink lemonade.
Stressi pesa zinanweka roho juu, kula vitamu mama mpaka sikukuu, na navyo safa mwezako kama kiriku, yeah. Upate kula upate na viwalo juu, baby niko so down, mwezako bado naumiza ndonga, usije ukanichoka, baby tena ukanitosa, mwezako niko so down, baby bado naumiza ndonga, usije ukanipa utaila, taila, usisikize tantarila, talila. Oh mama, I go get some money for you, Versace, Gucci and Prada. You like it sushi, my lover. For you, don't you worry, baby mama. My baby mama, ukisusa najitukana, moyo wangu na ugawanya roju. Tunafanana, mie nawe tunajichana, kama gundi tunagandana like no. Kwenye msoto baby bado po, unanidekeza katoto, kwa baridi wanipa joto, bado kona mie, usiku watu lali mapopo, tukikesha.
And just like that, this video is done. Thank you so much for staying to the end. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe. And with that being said, stay you, stay true, and stay lovely. Bye, y'all.
Usije ukanichoka, baby tena ukanitosa, mwezako niko so down,